How to turn off data saver on Twitter. Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn off data saver on Twitter. And if at the end of this video, guys, you find it so helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Now, first thing to do is to open up your Twitter. When you open up your Twitter, guys, just go ahead and click on your profile picture here. Then it will open up this page. Go ahead and click on settings and support. Then scroll down and click on settings and privacy. Then it will bring you to this page. Just scroll up until you get to accessibility, display, and languages. Just click on it. When you click on it, guys, it will bring you to this page. Go ahead and click on data usage. Then it will bring you to this page. You can see my own data saver is enabled or turned on. If you want to turn it off, guys, just go ahead and click on this button at the front. You can see the changes under the fixtures on this page. So guys, that is how to turn off data saver on Twitter. If you find this video so helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.